Welcome to the Vcamera Pro. This is new version Vcamera Pro. This is not a old version. It's paid and premium full powerful APK. It's work any KYC bypass verification. Work any hard app broken KYC. This is I open these apps and select these photos and read videos. Any videos that I can open Nique Colombia APK that it's work very easy. You can show this is very easy open Nique Colombia. Then if you want this APK, please contact me in the description box. It's easy, reasonable price in Vcamera Pro. Okay, thank you, best of luck.